Real Me Records. Real Me Records. Real Me Records. Real Me Records.
I'm for Jesus.
This is our prayer, Lord. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive even those that trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory. Let your kingdom come, oh God. Let your kingdom come. Let your kingdom come, oh God. Let your kingdom come. Our Father in heaven, we want to live a life that will please you, fulfilling your will on this earth, preaching unto many that are lost. But how can we do this without your spirit? And so we cry out, let your kingdom come. And as we go out, when we see the poor hungry, how would we feed them? How would we feed them? That's why we cry out, give us this day our daily bread, enough for us so that we can feed the poor. Let your kingdom come. Let your kingdom come, oh God. Let your kingdom come.
Now let's start with these voices flowing through my choices. Every sweet melody I know turning into noises. I feel like I'm the sum of every positive and negative. I'm more than the disabled guy fighting for a life in a prison with a crime of treason. They gave me so much pain without giving me a better reason. They laugh at me when I say I'm doing rap music. And even now for Jesus, they call me loser, but no, I know I'm a winner. I dress in all white, but I'm filled with naked joy. Way of the wicked, it leading me astray, oh Lord. Sooner or later, my time into a little pray. Excuses fly my mind, yeah, the girl time pray. My heart sense danger, but that would push it aside. I can do this by myself, forget it, I'm losing my mind. I pretend in front of everyone, but secretly I cry. I wish I could turn my life around, I wish I could right my wrongs and stand in your presence and say, Lord, I am yours. I try to feed it, unknowingly fell through your grabs, suffer relapse. I try to get over it again, and then the dust. I get up and stumble again. I want that in the past, I want that in the past.
Let your kingdom come, oh God. Let your kingdom come. Let your kingdom come, oh God. Let your kingdom come. Let your kingdom come, oh God. Let your kingdom come. Kingdom come, oh God. Let your kingdom come.